Tonight we will show you our audio alert system. We have two similar wireless Arduinos, one in the yellow car and one in the blue car. The one in the yellow car will be transmitting a frequency that it simulates a horn honking, which will be received on this end and show up as a white light on the LED array heads-up display. The other button on the Arduino system in this car will simulate an emergency vehicle and will be transmitted over to this car, and a blue and red flashing LED array will show up. We will show three different tests for our system. The first one being how well the LEDs show up on the windshield of the receiving car. The second being latency. We will press the button 5 times at 1 second interval, and it will show up on here. And also we will do a brake test to see how fast someone can react to the LEDs. Thank you. Now we will show latency on both the white and red and blue LEDs. For this test, we will press the button at 1 second intervals for 5 times to show the white LED. Then we will test it with the blue and red LEDs.
Now we'll show you the range of our system. As you can see, the yellow car will transmit a signal, and we'll be backing up to show how far it will go.
Now we're going to demonstrate our audio recognition system. I decoded up a Python code that reads from the microphone and can determine the frequency of a sound, the average frequency of the sound around it. Then it outputs it, and it outputs through a filter that says if it's true or false that a horn's been beeped. So we recorded the blue car's horn, and we're now going to attempt to display it on our output. Okay, what you see here is our output from our code. On the left side, you see false. That's saying that there's no horn being beeped. When a horn's beeped, it'll turn to true. On the right side, or the center, you see the frequency with a long decimal point there. And on the right side, you see the amplitude. And now we are going to do a horn test with one of the cars.